At the Formulators Lab bench, I want to share with you my experience with contact dermatitis. I'm Joan Morace. I'm a natural cosmetic formulator and instructor at the Formulators Lab and Joan Morace Cosmetic School. Contact dermatitis, it's a skin irritation. It's a skin reaction to some form of ingredient or something in the environment that is bothering your skin. It's caused from repeated irritant reactions, and this can be from a laundry soap and the clothes that are washed in it, and then when those touch the skin it causes some irritation. It can be from a body wash. It can be from the chemicals that are used in swimming pools and spas. Contact dermatitis is very common now, and babies experience it, children and adults. In my case, I'm a lap swimmer and I swim at least 3 times a week. And I also go in the hot tub after lap swimming. One time I went in the hot tub and there was a lot of chemicals that were added to it. And so I had overexposure to these chemicals and it caused contact dermatitis. And now I experience it more often because of this initial sensitization from them. It took several months to heal it, and I stopped swimming for that amount of time. And you can learn more about my story with this on our blog. I want to share with you some preventative tips. It's so important to keep our skin moisturized and nourished. And by paying attention to the skin, you will see the slightest different changes in it. And that's when you need to take action. For contact dermatitis, a lot of times you can feel it initially. So say you use a body wash and you feel any kind of tightening or a little bit of dryness, that is starting contact dermatitis. And so pay attention to that. It can show up as dry, chapped skin, itchy, scaly patches. It can be red, it can be swollen. It can start with sores or blisters. I want to share a few preventative tips that work for me for swimming. Before swimming, I put on a deep moisturization cream. And this is the deep hydration cream from the Pro Skin course. It is my all-time favorite. I use it for so many things, but I like it because it's not greasy and it's intense hydration, and it goes in and it just feels beautiful. And then what I do is I apply a plant jelly. This is the plant jelly from the Formulators Lab. And I apply this on top of it as an occlusive to help to protect the skin. I put it on my eyelid even, and all my neck, and on my skin. Sometimes I wear sunscreen, but I swim early in the morning. I'm extremely sensitive to sunscreen, so I have, there's very few that I can use. So because I swim early in the morning, I don't tend to use one, but if it's during the day, you really want to use a sunscreen. And then I apply, this is from our Pro Skin course, also a lip balm to my lips to protect the lips. I also apply my hair conditioner. I apply it onto my hair before I put my cap on, because even putting some, it seals the hair and it protects the hair. So those are kind of preventative tips. When I get out of the pool, I rinse off immediately. Then I get home, I take another shower. Then I use, this is another plant jelly, but it's our cleanser in the Pro Skin course. And I use this to cleanse, to take off the occlusive. Sometimes it's hard to remove occlusives, like even sunscreens, waterproof sunscreens. So the plant jelly cleanser I use for that purpose. And sometimes even before I get even in the shower, I'll do a mask. A mask is really nice. Like this is our wet mud mask from the Pro Skin course, and it just really helps to nourish, hydrate it, because there's humectants in it. There's also clays in it to help to clarify my skin and to smooth it out, and really helps, I think, to remove even any of the chlorine. And then I follow it up again for the day with this deep hydration cream. I think what's the most crucial of all these things is moisturization. If you're going in a swimming pool, especially children, really hydrate and moisturize the skin afterwards. Rinse the pool chemicals off and seal your skin with some kind of moisturizer. It's important because kids now, I see more and more kids are getting dry skin and they swim regularly in the summer. So a key point is moisturize your skin daily.